Jamba oil to remove dandruff and lice. Are you struggling with dandruff or lice and looking for a natural solution? Look no further than Jamba oil, a powerful and effective oil that can help to eliminate these pesky scalp conditions. Dandruff is a common scalp condition that can be caused by a variety of factors, including an overgrowth of yeast on the scalp, stress, hormonal changes, and more. The result is dry, flaky skin on the scalp that can be itchy and uncomfortable. Jamba oil can help to alleviate these symptoms by fighting off the yeast that causes dandruff, moisturizing the scalp, and reducing inflammation. To use Jamba oil for dandruff, simply massage a small amount into your scalp and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing your hair. You can also mix the oil with other ingredients, such as coconut oil or tea tree oil, for added benefits. Lice, on the other hand, are tiny insects that can cause itching and irritation on the scalp. They are highly contagious and can be spread through close contact with an infected person or their belongings. Jamba oil can be used as a natural alternative to chemical-based lice treatments. The antimicrobial properties of Jamba oil can help to kill lice and their eggs, while the moisturizing properties can soothe the scalp and reduce itching. To use Jamba oil for lice, apply a generous amount to your scalp and hair, making sure to cover all areas. Leave the oil on for several hours or overnight, and then comb your hair with a fine-toothed comb to remove any dead lice or eggs. Repeat the treatment every few days until the lice are gone. It is important to note that while Jamba oil is generally safe for most people, it may cause skin irritation or allergic reactions in some individuals. It should also be used with caution during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Before using Jamba oil for any skin condition, it is important to do a patch test on a small area of skin first to ensure that you do not have an adverse reaction. In conclusion, Jamba oil is a natural and effective solution for eliminating dandruff and lice. Its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and moisturizing properties make it an ideal treatment for these conditions. Try it out today and say goodbye to those pesky scalp problems for good.